Hi, I'm Max. I work here at Master International with customer success, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about match percentage. First of all, how to activate the screening of candidates, how to set the criteria, even though we might have seen it before. What happens then when we activate multiple criteria and screening on one assessment? What is the outcome of the match percentage? And how can it be that a match percentage can be higher than the other one, but not qualify the candidate for the process? All of that we're going to discuss in this video, so please join me in my screen as I take you through it. First of all, we're going to be starting off by going into our assessment workflow, and keep in mind that when we do this screening, it can be done on an existing assessment or on a brand new assessment project. So for the sake of it, we're going to go into an old assessment project and we're going to try and screen candidates in and see what match percentage outcomes we get. So we're going to use this example here, team leader, with an Opto and a core. We'll click on it and let it open up. And right now we can see we have 6 different candidates. Some have completed only Opto, some have completed Opto and core. But what we want to see now is we want to set on Opto first some sort of a previous criteria. So we'll create a new one here. We'll import this criteria here, team leader assessment demo, or we can take another one like that. And now we want to go into core and we want to put a criteria from 8 to 10. But we want to do one more thing. On core, we want to screen in candidates so they only qualify if they match a certain percentage of that criteria. So let's say we're very specific. We only want candidates that score an 8, 9, or 10 on core. Then we have to toggle on the screen candidates and put this one all the way to 100%. What happens now when we go back and click people? Now we get a match percentage. And notice something very interesting. We have 3 candidates here, Zoe, Valentina, and Suleiman. And Zoe matches overall 89% and Valentina 84%. But even though Valentina has a lower match percentage in the assessment, she still has the green color for qualifying as a candidate. How can that be? Well, what's interesting, if we look at the result of the candidates by clicking on analysis, we can see that Zoe, for example, scores lower on core than Valentina does. Zoe scores a 7, which is right outside, and Valentina scores an 8, which is inside. Where the difference lies is that Zoe might have a much higher match percentage within Opto, where Valentina might have a lower percentage in Opto. So it's the overall match percentage that decides, but a candidate can only be green if they match the screening percentage within the frameworks that we have given it. I hope that explains it clearly for you. That was match percentages.